Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to explain you how to use FlowCast. So basically FlowCast is an accounting workflow automation platform that helps teams streamline month-end close, reconciliations and audits. Now in order to get access to their platform, we're gonna have to get a demo first. So we just have to go to their official website and then talk with the sales teams. So we're gonna have to simply schedule here our let's say appointment with them. Now after we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply log into our account and start connecting our ERP and import data from NetSuite, QuickBooks, etc. Then we can also assign close tasks across team members with deadlines and checklists. Then we can also automate reconciliations using templates and real-time tracking, and also monitor progress and generate reports for audits and compliance. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.